cooking class, end of October. I have the solutions gentleman here joining me. Today we're going to be learning how to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner all in one pan. For the hash browns, the pan's going to be super hot. It's going to be the opposite for the bacon. So we're going to cook the bacon at a nice medium, medium-low temperature. So we start to get some really nice browning around the edges of the hash browns here. Do easy over eggs, all that stuff, all right? Beautiful, brown, crispy hash browns. Just enough so it cracks open. Drop it real gently in there. If you don't hear that sizzle, you should probably stop. You're not going to be able to develop the caramelization from the natural sugars from the protein that you are cooking. So we want to keep this root end in order to dice. Okay, within those parameters, come back, and you got a nice diced onion. Salmon, gentlemen. I'm going to show you guys how to butcher salmon. We are just going to trim it up so you can get beautiful fillets. Learn to portion out my pieces and then individually fillet them. It's a lot more precise. I think it saves time. You get a much nicer piece of salmon. You can't really touch the top or touch the bottom and get a good idea of where the salmon is at. You want to touch the sides of the salmon, alright? This salmon is a nice medium rare right now. We're going to take it out, let it rest, do a quick saute on the brown rice pilaf that I pre-cooked earlier, and some quick veggies. That's the last dish right there, everybody. Salmon, wild rice pilaf, just some quick veggies.